Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to your first geography lesson. This is secondary school, and we are going to have loads of fun with geography. Geography is the study of the physical features of the Earth to include the world around us, the oceans, the sea, and how we interact with these physical features. Today's lesson in particular, we'll be looking at a difference between biomes and ecosystems. You might have met these in primary school, and they were quite interesting. At this time, I'm going to allow you to pause this video and get yourself a pen, pencil, and some paper. Right, now that we are ready. When you get into Harris Garage, your first lesson might look something like what I'm showing on our screen. That means you have 4 questions that greet you every lesson. Quick and easy, simple. Nothing to worry about. So, now that you have your pen and your paper or pencil, write down our lesson topic today. What are biomes and ecosystems? Great. Now that that's done, we are going to zoom in on our first interesting walk in this topic. What is the difference between a biome and an ecosystem? I want you to take about 5 minutes or longer if you'd like. You can pause this video and you are going to describe what you see in the photos that are on your screen. You might realize some of them have more animals than others, but that's fine. Just write down a description of what you see, and then try to come up with your own little definition of what an ecosystem might mean. Great. So you need to write down that definition and ensure that your teacher has it in summer school when we meet you or in September when we're in class. So let's find out what an ecosystem is. An ecosystem is a community of living plants and animals that interact with each other in a natural environment. So I want you to have a think. All those pictures that you saw before, can you identify at least 2 ecosystems around your neighborhood or even in your garden? Ask your parents to help. Remember, an ecosystem can be anywhere. Let's look under a rock. Let's look in a tree. It is simply a community of living plants and animals interacting constantly with each other over and over again. And they all work together in this system to make it grow. So now that you know what an ecosystem is, do you think you can find at least 2 ecosystems around you? Write them down and write the animals and plants that might be found in that ecosystem. Fantastic. So let's look at biomes. A biome is a community of plants and animals covering a large area on the surface of the earth. So look at the map that I have displayed for you. Do you see the different colors? Could you pause this video, look at the map, and maybe tell me which biome do we live in? Remember, we are in the United Kingdom. Have a go at this. Fantastic. So after you have done that, could you find 2 other biomes that you find interesting? My favorite biome is found somewhere in parts of Africa, in parts of South America, and in parts of Southeast Asia. Can you guess what my favorite biome is? I want you to write down yours as well. Great. So my favorite biome is the tropical rainforest. I love it. The plants, the animals, and all the different sounds they make, and all the food they eat. Geography is quite interesting, and you're going to learn a lot about the animals all over the world and the plants, and importantly, the people and how they interact with the environment. Remember, write down your answers and have them ready to share with your teacher when we start Amazing Environments in September. See you then.